Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. My name is Atika Suri, student from Postgraduate School Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In this presentation, I will discuss about a case study of analyzing 10th graders using what if not strategy for mathematical problem posing in trigonometry topic. First, I will explain why mathematical problem posing is so important for us. Mathematical problem posing is an important core in the discipline of mathematics and the nature of mathematical thinking. Mathematical problem posing can develop skills in connecting mathematical concepts based on their own ideas so as to be thinking process, understand the problem being worked on, and improve students' understanding of concepts. Problem posing is an activity that emphasizes on students to help students in asking questions based on information or situation provided and to reformulate new problems from situations that have been given. In general, problem posing there are two stages in solving problems, namely accepting phase and challenging phase. At the stage of accepting the question given are clear and students only focus on solving problem activities like these are common in the process of learning mathematics in the classroom. Meanwhile, for the challenging phase, a process occurs where students contrast the conditions of the problem given so that students can analyze the problems and check the truth of their own resolution. One strategy that can be used in the challenging stage is what if not strategy. This strategy is based on the idea that modifying or revising the conditions of questions that have been solved to produce new questions that are more challenged. Some mathematical studies also reveal that mathematical problem posing will be more encouraged if a what if not strategy is implemented. What if not strategy are very useful for developing new tasks in learning. Next, this research is descriptive qualitative with case study. Place, one of the high school in Pangkal Pinang City, Bangka Belitung, Indonesia. Subject 6 students with high, medium, and low initial abilities grade 10 students. Data collection in this study through observation, tests, and interviews. Instrument, the test instrument used in the form of description consists of 3 questions that represent indicators of modification of critical dimensions of mathematical problem posing. And next, result and discussion. 1. Some students are still confused about how to apply the what-if-not strategy of the given problem. Researcher tells the students to ask questions about the problem faced by students, but from the number of 6 students who were used as researcher subjects only to people who dare to ask questions. Seeing the conditions that are still confused, researcher guides students to write information contained in the problem. Most students follow the directives of researchers. Most of the others are still thinking about the information in question. Researchers told the students propose a strategy what if not by changing the information or data on the issue, add new information or data, change data values only with the same information, or to change the situation at issue with the data same. The mathematical problem posing ability of students using what if not strategy have a good effect after they got used to the activity. Okay, in this section, an analysis of items done by students in the mathematical problem posing activities that have the best answer is shown in figure 1. Figure 1 above shows the student answer in completing question items number 3. It can be seen the students can make a question based on a given situation or problem. The question is rewritten as follows. What is the distance between Bintang and Chia with a length of 2 meters each? Based on questions that have been made by students, then students are instructed to work on questions that have been made. It can be seen that students understand the material concept of a given problem, so students can smoothly carry out mathematical problem posing activities. The answer written by the subject in the alternative answer write the steps to solve the problem coherently. The subject drew the design of the position between the Bintang, Chia, and Bira in the form of a triangle. The subject wrote the step to find the distance between stars, Bintang and Chia by using the concept of sign rules on trigonometry. That is, when the student can concentrate his thoughts to find a certain solution to a problem, the subject is confident thinking. Based on interview, students have the ability to put forward some idea in the form of a question from a problem given by the researcher. The subject can also complete the question. The problem provided by researcher in incomplete, but students are able to combine several trios in an equilateral triangle. Then, if it is related to Guilford's theory in research on intelligence, it can be concluded that the subject has fulfilled the fluency aspect of divergent thinking ability. This is because the subject is able to produce many ideas that are relevant to the problem. Next, result and Next, they were instructed to perform mathematical problem posing activity using strategy what if not decompose to different question the meaning of the question above by adding requirements or additional information. Nah, okay. The following show the student answer on item number 3. A. What happens if you change the length of each side twice? Will the distance between Bintang and Chia also double the original distance? 2. What if we change the length of each side of the triangle to 3, 6? Does it affect the distance of Bintang and Chia? This student question has to do with one of the conditions for compiling questions in a what-if-not strategy, namely changing the situation or condition of the original question that was created. That is, students' mathematical problem posing ability becomes better by using what-if-not strategy. In this case, students are also required to be responsible for the questions that have been made by students by answering this question in accordance with mathematical concepts that have been mastered by students. That is, when students can produce questions with good quality, the students have a good understanding of mathematical concepts and have high creativity. Result, the subject is able to produce idea in making question by looking at it from another perspective. The question made by the subject explained that if the length of the rope is changed to 2, 3, and 6 cannot form a triangle because S is known in the triangle inequality that the sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. The subject is able to generate answer idea by looking at it from another perspective. Then if it is associated with good theory in research on intelligence, it can be concluded that the subject has fulfilled the flexibility aspect of divergent thinking ability. This is because the subject has the ability to generate new perspectives from various points of view. Divergent thinking ability opens up opportunities for students to think creatively. This is also caused because in the learning process, researchers apply what-if-not strategies so that students are accustomed to making more varied questions. In conclusion, in this research, is this strategy can provide opportunities for students to expand the problem by structuring questions from existing question. This strategy can also guide and train students who find it difficult to ask problem or question. The form of question asked by students can be varied according to the breadth of mathematical knowledge relating to the material being taught. Then, the factors that can affect students' mathematical problem posing are students must have good prior knowledge ability, divergent thinking skill, convergent thinking, creativity, cognitive style, and learning strategy used by the teacher in the learning process. Okay, thank you very much for your participation.